of a Premier Inn, standard room at London Docklands. Got a nice little bathroom. We've got some gentle soap. Not sure what the difference is between that and not gentle soap. Hair and body wash. Towels. The shower actually is incredibly powerful. A mirror to look at yourself. Toilet. Weird little toilet roll hole dispenser thing. This massive clothes wardrobe shelving unit thing. No one needs that much on home when they're going for a couple of days. Makeup lights, I guess. Not use that. You do get a hairdryer. No spare pillows because of COVID. You get a tiny little tea and coffee area. Some glasses, bottle opener. And you can just nip down and get extra milks from downstairs. They won't come and replenish your room while COVID's going on. Desk with a lot of my rubbish on it. 32-ish inch TV with preview and radio. Nice little chair. Some beautiful pictures of flowers. Standard Premier Inn bed. Actually really comfy. Again, only 2 pillows at the moment because of COVID, but you can ring to get more. All important plug sockets. I don't know if they're both sides actually. No, only one side. You get a little table, chair, and then view out the window. So it comes with these little latches. So it's double insulated, so you get no noise at night. It just goes like that. That's about it really. Oh, and aircon up there. It's not the best, but it's okay. You just control it from here. So on, change the temperature. Oh, I just found a mirror. Didn't see that before. You can see kind of how noisy it is. So it's not too bad. What I will say is the fan in the bathroom of mine was pretty much on all night, which was a bit of a pain in the backside. And lastly, not entirely sure what that is. I'm guessing something must have been here. Is it just a vent or? It as a vent, I don't know. It's very odd anyway. Cool, that's it. It's all done. Everything's pretty good for what you pay.